the greenhouse.
Yes.
Here they want to plant.
What plants are we going to?
They want to plant sweet peppers. They're yellow and red. You know them?
Yes.
Yes. So here we are going to plant sweet pepper.
Oh.
So greenhouse farming is a good project.
Yes.
You can set up a greenhouse in a small space, and it is very good. It is good for income. You can sell vegetables on a daily.
How much does it take you guys to build this greenhouse?
In terms of cost?
Yep. Set it up.
This one is a fabricated greenhouse.
Meaning?
It is fabricated.
Oh.
Like the material, actually this was made by the staff.
Oh, it's not so the actual standard, eh?
Yes. So it is fabricated and it is a low-cost greenhouse.
Okay.
This one can cost around 8 million.
Okay.
But this size, if you go to a modern one, it is around 35 million.
Oh.
Yes.
How big is it?
So this was fabricated. This is 8 by 24 meters.
8 by 24 meters?
Yes.
Okay.
It can accommodate around 800 plants. Yes.
Nice.
Then this side is the poultry section.
Okay.
Where we are not going to enter.
Oh.
These are brooders.
Oh.
Right now we have babies in there. So we are brooding broilers. We brood broilers for a period of 3 weeks. And we sell them at 7,000 shillings to the farmers.
Oh.
You sell in bulk or?
We sell in, no, depends on what the client.
So at the point when the person is buying at 7,000,
yes.
Do they need any more vaccine anymore?
Yeah, there's a percentage remaining for vaccination. Here we do 75%. So you're remaining with 25% to do the vaccination. The remaining program, yes.
Broilers.
Does one have the best meat?
Yeah, they're like a local bird, almost.
It's in between that broiler soft, but also
The harder local.
It's a cross between the exotic and the local breed.
Nice.
So we are brooding broilers. Farmers come and buy broilers from here, and they can be for meat or eggs.
Oh.
Yes. They grow so fast. They are resistant to diseases, and they can lay eggs for the whole year.
Wow.
They grow in a period. At 5 months, you start collecting eggs. You start laying eggs.
You also have pomegranate.
Yes.
How is it? Is it sweet?
Yeah,
This
they're
one?
sweet. Once they are ready. These ones are not ready at the moment. But when they are ready, they are sweet.
Oh, nice.
I've tested some. I will have them at home. They are a bit bitter.
Oh, you leave it to.
You really get ready.
Yes.
So maybe for us, when we see them like that, we are like, this is ready. Pomegranate.
So me, I see these ones are ready.
You're like, let's eat. And then you're like, where are you, bitter? Some pomegranate fruits and trees. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if my people can see well the fruit, the pomegranate fruit. The problem is when you wait for them to get ready, the birds finish them before you do. Because the way the birds are enjoying.
No, those are, I think, monkeys.
Monkeys.
They have a very hard core, so it's not easy for the birds
To break through.
yes.
But the eggplant, I'm seeing some of it wasting away.
We have been in the holiday. Yes, so that is why you see them in now. But plants are going to start coming. Yes.
Oh, you have a lot of pomegranate. This is oregano.
Yes.
At this point, it's ready.
Yes, it's
Oh, okay. Wow. What do we have here?
look at this.
You see, okay.